Good morning, guys. I was supposed to get up at 8, but now it's almost 9.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift phase.
Here's my to-do list for today. I usually make my to-do list the night before, so I'm gonna go get something to eat and then I'm gonna work out. Good morning. Aw, hi.
Problems. I would never walk out on you. Even though you stress about the small shit sometimes, nothing I could say to you could change up your mind. I'll get on your nerves and then we'll fight. Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days, when you get in my face, tripping on something that I've done, yeah. I would never listen, I walk cumbersome, run out on you, I know we got a problem. It's hard and we wanna let go. I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. Love you like crazy.
Those curls literally, I'm not kidding, took me 3.5 minutes. Hi guys, so it is 11:34 right now. I am all ready for the day. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to look nice for you guys. And I don't know why, I just feel like I'm more productive when I like actually get ready for the day. But personally, I love watching productive vlogs, so I wanted to make one because to me they're really motivating. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I always have links to my social media accounts in the down bar below for you guys to go follow, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I always try my best to respond to every single comment, but the first thing I am going to do is respond to some comments. I try to do this like every morning to make sure I am caught up on all of your guys' comments. So this is my most recent video. I cleaned out my closet finally. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you go watch it. You guys literally leave the sweetest comments ever. It literally makes me so happy whenever I read your guys' comments. But just a quick thank you for all the support on my channel recently, and I literally love making YouTube videos so much. So seeing all the support on my channel just makes my heart so happy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I am going to take some pictures of some stuff I want to sell on Facebook. This giant bear has been in my life for 5 or 6 years probably. His name is Chester and I love Chester, but honestly he just takes up so much space, and I live in a neighborhood where there's a lot of kids, and I don't know, I just feel like a kid would get more use out of it than I do, because I literally, like, he just sits in a corner. And I also have an Olaf. And I also have these 2 bags of clothes to go through. My sorority has a Facebook page where we can post stuff to like sell to each other and whatever. So I'm gonna see if anyone wants anything. Okay, I just finished taking all the pictures. Now I'm gonna post it. It's loading, hasn't posted yet. So I need to fix this mess right here. Someone already bought something, so I am gonna grab a shipping bag so I can put it in there, and then I'll do like a mail pickup thing so they can ship it for me. Something that I wanted to talk about in this vlog, which I guess I could do right now, is about my company. I don't know, maybe you guys were wondering what all this stuff was. It has to be organized. It's really messy, it's not okay. But this is all for my company. Hold on, let me grab a shipping bag and I'll get back to you guys. So this is something that I haven't really talked about on my channel before, but I did start a company. It's called Opal and Ivory, which is why I have the sweatshirts in the background. So far, I've only made sweatshirts, and I make like the designs and the vinyl and like all that stuff, and I make the actual sweatshirts and then ship them out. But I started selling them on Instagram and just to like people I knew. But I opened an Etsy store, which I will link in the down bar below. I probably won't have anything up when this video goes up, but I will be working on that this week. So if you guys wanted to order something for me, that'd be super cool. But I'll have a bunch of different kinds of sweatshirts and shirts. I want to start doing like tie-dye stuff. I think that would be really cool. It's just something that I haven't been able to make a priority lately, but I am going to now. Yeah, if you guys want to go check out my store on Etsy, I'll have it in the down bar below for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want me to like talk about it more, and I don't know, I could like make a video of how I do it. So if you guys want that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so that's a little bit about my company. We are gonna have to clean this up later because I am really hungry. Okay, so I am gonna clean up this mess behind me. It literally looks green. Why does this look green? I'm so confused. So today is Noah's birthday. He's one of my really good friends. So this is his present. I made him a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna go drop this off to his house right now. Don't worry, we're not gonna hang out. I'm literally probably just gonna leave it in his driveway because social distancing, obviously. Yeah, so we're gonna go on a little adventure. Mission accomplished. We did it. Noah, I hope you like it. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna get some more stuff done. Okay, so I'm gonna make a list of all of the classes that I've taken so far because one of my friends is going to help me decide whether or not I can change my major. I don't know if I'm going to. It was just like a random thought I had. I don't even know if it's possible, but we're gonna see, I guess. We're just gonna see. Okay, here's the list. So yeah, I don't even know if I want to switch majors. Like honestly, I don't even know what I see myself doing after college. I'm realizing that a lot of my productiveness is, you know, just me hanging out at my desk. Okay, huge, literally the hugest shout out to my friend Maureen. So she's an ad and PR major, so she offered to help me out, and she made this amazing spreadsheet showing like the classes that I've taken and the classes that I still need and everything. Originally, she thought that I wouldn't be able to finish in 4 years because I'm like already halfway into college, but I can finish in 4 years. The fact that I'm like really happy about this occurring kind of just like makes me guess like a little bit that I kind of want to switch. I don't know. Okay, so I took the trash bags that were over here to the basement. I wanted to donate most of that stuff, but obviously I can't donate it because none of the donation places are open right now. I feel like this has been a really talkative vlog and I haven't done one of these in a while. It's starting to get sunny out again. It was literally gloomy all day. Aw, you're just so cute. Cutie. Guys, look what just got delivered. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so I really wasn't expecting this to get delivered today. They're not sponsoring me. They wanted me to give you guys my honest opinion on the product. They specialize in what's called Eternity Rose arrangements. They're made of 100% natural flowers, but they last up to a year. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So obviously I haven't opened this, so we're just gonna rip this thing open. Okay, the sun is like officially coming out now. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. It comes in a little bag and it's also protected by these little foam things. So it's super protected for shipping. Oh my gosh, you guys. So it comes in this beautiful velvet box and it says Rose Forever on it. So cute. You guys, oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm already obsessed with it. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about Rose Forever. So they're a company based in New York. So they have different kinds of arrangements. This one is, I believe it's the 8-inch arrangement. So this one is like the middle size, but they also have a smaller one and a larger one. And all of their arrangements come in the prettiest colors. They even have a gold one, they have a black one. They have this really pretty pastel pink one. And I was debating for the longest time whether I wanted the pink one or the white one, but I think white is just such a classic color, especially with the black velvet box and everything. I think it's the cutest thing ever. The perfect company to send someone a heartfelt gift for any occasion, for their birthday, an anniversary, or Valentine's Day, Christmas, literally anything. Their roses are the absolute best quality and they're offered at significantly lower prices compared to their competitors. They also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys so you guys can save some money. If you use the link in the down bar below, you can get $15 off of your purchase. But yeah, I'm literally so excited, especially because I am going to be redecorating my room literally tomorrow. I just want to give you guys another close-up because these are gorgeous. They're literally so pretty. But yeah, I definitely recommend you guys go check out their website. I am gonna have all of their info in the down bar below for you guys to go check out their Instagram, their website, the discount code, all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful bouquet. Oh my god, it's just so classy. I love it. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at the sunset, it's so pretty. It's like 8:30 right now. I would say it's officially time to take my makeup off. The sweats are officially on. And the hair is officially up. Ew, this is not a very cute bun. Hold on, I need to fix this bun. This is That's a sad bun. Okay, that's better, I guess. So it is 10 o'clock now, and I'm just gonna edit for the rest of the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give this a giant thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. I feel like my voice sounds really weird right now. But yeah, so that is gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!